This Hilda Baci, biggest spot of Jollof, just exposed Nigeria as a poor and hungry country. See the way people mad, they queue, they cry. I never just to eat ordinary jollof rice. It never reach me. Oh, when I start jollof rice for me now they queue, they cry just to eat ordinary jollof for Nigeria. This thing is a sign Nigeria is a poor and hungry country. You know understand? My advice to Hilda Baci, if you know Hilda Baci, tag her to this video. They say that I know is the last comment of a fool. If to say I know before, I for this to GehGeh advice. You know understand? You are giving so much attention, energy and money to things not really today important to the society. What is this your Guinness record? What how is it contributing to Nigeria? This your record and Big Brother Nigeria now the same thing. Diverting the attention of the youth into things not really today important for the country. And for me, that rice way they cook, that rice is more of quantity over quality. Not be say they put rice for inside water a done. Now be say you cook jollof rice. Because I see where they use a bucket, I mean based in the bay, the ingredients they go the other side because the pot was too big. So you are giving so much attention. Last time you break the record, Nigeria supported you, and now you don't come again with the same format. Now only Guinness record you sabi break. You not gonna know if you do with your life. Eh? I mean the Guinness record where you break, so it's more important than the fact that Nigeria not get light. There's no job in Nigeria. Eh? Now, if we continue to encourage things like this, now you don't do them again now. If you encourage, before you go look, now one girl will come from nowhere now, they say, the girl with the biggest BBA in Nigeria or in the world, you know how Nigeria girls do, because they always look for easy way to escape poverty. You know, so my advice to you, if you want to become successful in life, the next thing you are supposed to do, I expect you with this so much money you are wasting on things like this, use that money to open Eat and Go eatery, where the homeless and the poor can easily come and eat without paying. That's your contribution. And that's humanity will value for a lifetime. You say Eat and Go eatery where poor Nigerians, hungry Nigerians can go and eat free jollof rice. Then if you go there, you eat, you don't pay. Do something like that, and Nigeria, the world, will appreciate you for life. God bless you.